Hi, this is Howie from Prime Your Pump, entertaining and actionable self-improvement. And the lesson for this week is about creating balance in your life. And to create balance in your life, you want to optimize all the aspects of your life simultaneously. So, for example, one aspect of your life that you might want to optimize is how you spend your time. So if you spend 60 hours a week at work, you're optimizing your career, but you're sub-optimizing the rest of your life, which is your family, your friends, okay, your hobbies, etc. Another example of how you could create balance in your life is creating balance in your relationships with your significant others, your family, your friends, your coworkers, etc. So if you're always thinking about what you want, all right, and you're optimizing yourself, what you're not thinking about is how you go about optimizing the entire group of friends. And let me give you an example. I have a friend whose name is Tommy. And whenever I ask Tommy, where do you want to go to dinner? He says where he wants to go to dinner. And he feels he's being honest, and everybody else should say where they want to go to dinner, and they should be honest. What he doesn't realize is it's not about honesty, it's about compromise or creating a win-win situation. So, as an example with Tommy, I'll say, where do you want to go for dinner? And he'll say either Mexican food, which he knows I hate. He'll say, he'll name a restaurant where you have to go get the food yourself, which I hate, all right? So he simply does not get the idea of considering other people's, okay, needs and wants. So the third one is thinking about the aspects of your life that are physical, emotional, spiritual, financial, things like that, just to name a few. And for example, here, consider your physical well-being, okay? And it's comprised of sufficient exercise, nutrition, sleep, hydration, just to name a few aspects. And if you ignore any one of them, you'll fail to optimize your well-being. So some tips on using it or losing it to create balance in your life and make it actionable are to create balance, make sure that you're mindful, okay, of all the aspects of your life that are necessary to optimizing your life. Next, when you think about when to use it, it should be all the time and every day. And what do you think about creating balance? Well, do you live an unbalanced life? That's the question I really leave you with. And if the answer is yes, please comment, okay, on how you live your unbalanced life with us and what your thoughts are on how you might create a balanced life, and we can use that to improve this blog. So that's the lesson for this week about creating balance in your life. Remember, before we go, look at our other blog posts, and if you like them, share them. And remember to look at our weekly newsletter. And until next time, remember, prime your pump.